Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a failed to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126. So here we go. You can uninstall and reinstall gaming service. So especially when you are running or operating Windows 11 as your main OS. So you can uninstall and reinstall gaming service by press Windows X and select terminal or Windows PowerShell here. Not the CMD, not the command prompt, but the administrator Windows PowerShell. Here in Windows PowerShell, you can copy and paste the following three commands. Hit enter after each. This is will uninstall and reinstall gaming service. Here we go. And also you can update apps from the Microsoft Store. You can open Microsoft Store, click Start and select its icon. You will find library from the bottom left side, click on it. So then you will get updates from the top right corner, this one. It will update your Microsoft gaming service. And then you can repair and reset gaming service. If you have this app, please repair and reset. You can click apps and search for gaming services. For modify Windows registry entries, this is for the advanced, but you can try it later. I recommend you to download Xbox on Windows. You can go to the Google and search Xbox app, download the app on your Windows and launch it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the button below. See you in the next video.